Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to be making a spring vase out of this detergent bottle. I thought about throwing it away, but I said this would be a great idea and a beautiful table piece for the spring. I have already removed my labels, so let's just jump in. And I'm going to be using this twine that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be taking this twine and actually leaving the top on and starting at the bottom. So I'll be hot gluing this around this area here. I'm only placing a dab of hot glue. That way I'm not wasting any or letting it seep through my twine. As you can see, I'm adding little strips of this hot glue around this area here. That way I don't have my twine bunch up or overlap on me. And for this project, you can use the thicker rope to actually create this same style. Okay guys, it's ready for the setup. I think this turned out so cute. I decided to give it a little pop, so I actually took this white acrylic paint and added it. I just did a light brush on with a medium paintbrush. It gave it more of a little rustic Easter look. So guys, tell me what you think. Leave your comments below. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, share. Also subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I post a video. Everything I use will be linked in the description box below. And as always, I'm wishing you guys love, peace, and happiness. Bye.